How to create a form in Asana. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now, what you want to do is go to your workspace. Now, I'm over here in the home page, so I'm going to click on my workspace over here. It's called YouTube videos. And then what you want to do is go to the top right, and here you can see customize. And if you click on there, you can see a quick list, and here you have forms. Click on there, and it says forms right over here. So you simply have to click on this big box called add form. This will automatically create a new form. So this is basically it. So here you have you can add a cover image, you have to name, you can add a description. Here you can here you have a couple of default questions, so name and email address. Drag another question here. So what that means is that here you have a bunch of different questions. So for example, single select. So here you have to ask a question, and then they have a couple of different options. It's like multiple choice, I believe. They can choose, and then here you also have a date. So you can, for example, have to add a date of birth, and then here you can add an attachment, multi-select, number. So you can kind of just mess around with all of these. It's actually super easy to do. And over here you also have these settings. So you have the form name, and then a bunch of different settings. Here you have the form link that you can see. You can also click on view form to kind of like preview what it would look like if you were to actually fill in this form normally. So yeah, that's basically it. So now you can just leave that, and that's all there is to it. So I hope this video helped you out, and let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.